How to see who sent you NGL messages. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch NGL application on a device. And at the top, you will get two options, play and inbox. You simply need to head towards the option of inbox. Now over here, you are going to find all the messages that you have received. Now, how to see who sent this? For that, you have to simply click on this option given over here, that is who sent this. Tap on it. Now, here you will get a pop-up. You simply need to tap on unlock button in order to know who sent you the messages. Now, in order to see who sent you messages, simply you have to update the NGL application to Pro. For that, you will need to add your card number and pay a certain amount. If you wish to continue, you can simply subscribe and upgrade to your NGL applications, and then you'll be able to see who sent you NGL messages. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.